Hello everyone, welcome to the Power BI lesson number 3. In the lesson number 1 and 2 we talked about what is Power BI and what are the building blocks of Power BI and what is the flow of the Power BI. So like that we learn about those fundamentals, so that will be our foundation in this journey. From this lesson we are going to start talking about Power BI desktop. Why? First we are going to talk about Power BI desktop because we have to follow the flow of work in Power BI. If you remember, Power BI desktop is the first step in the Power BI flow. So we have to create reports in Power BI desktop and share with Power BI services and also through mobile app. So by saying that, I am not going to say Power BI using Power BI services you cannot generate reports. No, you can. It is possible. It's highly possible. But again, we have to follow the flow in order to understand this better. So that is why I am starting with the Power BI desktop. And also I am using the Microsoft learning materials in order to share with you about this Power BI. Alright, then let's think about what are the options of downloading the Power BI desktop. As per my understanding, there are 3 ways to download the Power BI desktop application. The first one is from the web. We can easily find from the Google or from your browser the site. So let me show that first. So here I already have it. But how I came to this page? I typed Power BI desktop. Then I got the first site as powerbi.microsoft.com, right? So that is the official site. So when I click on that, it goes to the Power BI site, and there you can see download free. So just click on it. So that is how you can click here, or you can go for advanced options. If you want to select the advanced option, maybe your machine is 64-bit, so then you have to select the 64-bit file. Yeah, you can see here 64-bit and also the normal one. So whatever the file you can select and you can download, right? The second method is if you are using Windows 10, then you can download from Windows Store, right? So I have my Windows Store here. Alright, and under the apps you can search for Power BI desktop application, not the mobile app, okay? Power BI desktop application. Click on it and from there you can download, right? If you click install, it will start installing, right? So that is the second option. The third option is if you already have a Power BI services, right? So when you come to the Power BI services, and at right top hand corner you can see there are some options. Under these options you can see this one, download. Click on it and then you can see what are the available options where you can download. So from there select Power BI desktop. So once you click on it, it will start download the file. You can see here, you can save it, okay? So those are the 3 options that you can use to download the Power BI desktop. But in my case I will use Windows Store because my version is Windows 10. So therefore I prefer to get this from Windows stores. So I found the app using the search box, and then I can click install. You can see the file is downloading. Now after downloading, it will install. You can see now installing Power BI Desktop. Now it has installed. You can click launch to start that. It's opening now. Alright, it has opened now. Okay, so let's stop from this point. In the next lesson, I will start discussing about Power BI Desktop, the features and how to use it and everything. Okay, see you in the lesson number 4. God bless you all.